it's Juliet from WTI, and I want to talk about something that calms my dog, and that's this Active Pets calming dog bed. So I put this down on the ground, and within 2 minutes she found it and snuggled right up to it. We've been using it for a few weeks now and she loves it. As you can see, she falls right asleep whenever she goes into it. Whenever I am looking for her, I check the bed first and she's always right here. So this bed is super comfy. She likes to snuggle her nose up in the corners and it's almost like she's shielding her face. It's really cute. She also lays half off, half on, but you can tell it's super comfortable for her. And she chooses this even over my bed. That was a new thing. Once I got this, she went right to that instead of jumping on the bed. So she definitely loves this. And I think you're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.